In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then tap on Face Unlock, enter your screen lock, and tap on Enroll Face. Now, after reading all of those, wait 5 seconds and hit start. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then apply one of those options by clicking on the best one. Choose Done and go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!